topic which I am going to discuss. One of the factors what we have completed yesterday, it is a continuation of the last class. What was the last class? Factors of climate change. Factors of climate conditions. Among those factors of climate conditions, we had discussed one of the factors, that was latitudes. How the latitudes are influenced one area climate, we had discussed in the last class. As for the latitudes, what we find out, what we have learned about the latitudes, in the latitudes, climate greatly influence. How the latitudes are influenced? If the place is lower latitude, it having high temperatures. If the place is higher latitudes, there is a low temperatures. That we had learned in the last class of latitudes influencing over the areas. Now, the another important factor is land and water relation. The another important factor is land and water relation. Is the another important factor which can influence the one area climate, how the latitudes are influencing the area climate. So how it will be influencing? What kind of climatical conditions are there at the nearest water body and away from the water body? So here, if you observe that situations of the places which is nearest to the water, there can be totally different kind of climatical systems existed. The areas which is nearest to the water, there will be a different climate. What kind of climate is there at nearest water area? Nothing but the nearest water area is called as coastal area, as you know very well, which we had studied in the previous class. How do we call the areas which is the nearest water body? Coastal areas. Do you know the coastal areas? What do you mean the coastal area? The area is which is nearest to the water. That means the area very close to the water. The distance is very close. To the land part. That means these the two means land and water co-relation. That is the relations coexistence. Because of that land closed water area having one kind of climate. Basically, what kind of climate is there nearest to water area? That area is moderate climate. What do you mean the moderate climate here? Moderate climate is the climate always maintaining equal temperatures. For example, how it will be if you want to see. How it will be the moderate climate if you want to know what I said? Balanced temperatures. If you take example summer. Usually in summer time highest temperatures are recorded. Is right or not? In summer time we have more temperatures in general areas. But what kind of temperatures can be there in the nearest water area? Here, in nearest water area, there is no much temperatures even though in summer. But what is the temperatures in other areas? Very high temperatures. For example, what kind of temperature we feel in the summer? Very hot. But the same temperatures cannot to be in the Narasapuram. Next one is Rajahmundry nearest. Next, Visakhapatnam area. At the time of summer, you may go and examine it. What kind of temperatures are there at summer? there will be no what exact temperatures are to our area. The same type of atmosphere climate is not be there in Vizag. Why? Why the Vizag is not having high temperature? Because it is the city of Vizag nearest to the sea, water. So to be other climate, that is moderate climate, to be in here, there will be a sea water influence in the Vizag. That's why there is no much temperature in Visakhapatnam. But in our area, high temperatures. Next time, we'll take the another season. What is the other season? Winter. We'll take the winter. Usually in winter time we feel much cooler. Much cool. So the same temperature, the same low temperatures will not to be in the water areas, nearest water area. Again, there will be water influencing the winter season also. So what kind of? The temperatures are maintaining equal temperatures are maintaining by sea coastal areas. Such temperatures, such climate is called as moderate climate. Simply, this can we say as moderate climate is as the temperatures are not more high, not more low. Not more high, not more low. That is the water area, nearest water area. Next, another one is land area. That we call as inland area. What do you call the inland area? The area away from the land. Such areas are called inland area. To see, the inland area haven't any water bodies to cover. There is no water. Just example, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. In our Andhra Pradesh, Anantapuram surroundings, can you found any water area surrounding of Anantapuram? Can you found any water areas in our Anantapuram? No, cannot be found any water areas. This is Anantapuram. But can you found in Chittoor, Nellore, Prakasam, Guntur, East and West and Krishna, East Godavari? What do you call? These are all nearest water area. From Srikakulam to Nellore. What do you call? All these districts are located nearest to the Bay of Bengal. Right or not? What is Bay of Bengal? What is the Bay of Bengal? This is the water body. So these areas, coastal areas. The areas which is nearest to water is called as coastal areas. Next, the area which is away from that water area, what is called inland area. This is Anantapuram. Anantapuram is in our Andhra Pradesh. Between the Anantapuram to Bay of Bengal, what will be there? What is there? In between Anantapuram to, what is this one? Bay of Bengal, this is Anantapuram. Is there any in between the two places? Is there any places or there not? Are there any places or not in between Anantapuram to Bay of Bengal? This is Bay of Bengal, this is Anantapuram district, land part. In between, what are the states, districts also there? What are the districts are? In between them, Kadapa, Nellore, Chittoor, these are the middle places. Kadapa, Nellore, next one is YSR, Kadapa, next one is Nellore districts are in between the Anantapuram to, what is this? Payapur. This is what you call, this is also land pattern. Anantapuram, sorry to say, Nellore. What is the Nellore? It is a district of land pattern. Between Anantapuram to Bengal. Another land part is there. Another land part district name is district Nelluru, Guntur, such land parts. So that where it is Anantapuram. Anantapuram is away from the Bay of Bengal or not?
Yes, sir.
Anantapuram is away from the Bay of Bengal or not? Why? In between Bay of Bengal to Anantapuram, what is there? Another district is there. Between Anantapuram to Bay of Bengal, what is there in middle? Another district. That's why this Anantapuram is away from the Bay of Bengal or not? So what is the Bay of Bengal? Water body. That's why this Anantapuram, how do we call? Inland area. Inland area. So usually in inland area, what kind of climatical system can we expected?
Hot.
Very high temperatures. This is extreme. What do you call that? Extreme climates. Usually extreme climates are expected in all our inland area, not only your Andhra Pradesh. To understand the concept, I said the example of our Andhra Pradesh. This is applicable to every land part in the world, not only to our Andhra Pradesh. This principle can applicable to every place which is located over the earth. What is that? All inland areas. There is no any permission. There is no any permit here. All inland areas which is located in India or Australia or Canada, what not? Where the inland areas are there, usually there will be a extreme climate. The extremes are very high in summer as well as winter. In summer, the temperatures are being very high. In winter, the temperatures are very low. Feel it. Extreme meaning the temperatures, the climates are very high. Extreme meaning very high climates. Either the temperature in summer high, in winter the temperatures being very low. What kind of climate generally this climate is? What kind of climate is? Extreme climate. Where we can find the extreme climate?
Inland.
Inland area. What do you mean the inland area? The area away from water bodies. Generally, in extreme climates are present in inland area. Next one is coastal areas. The areas are nearest to the water bodies is called as coastal, where we can find moderate climate. Moderate climate meaning the climates are not more high, not more low, either winter, either or summer. In these two periods, the temperatures can be maintained as equal and balanced temperature. Moderate climate is not more high in summer, not more low in winter. Always these climates are maintained equal or balanced climates. That would be called moderate climates. Moderate climates are coastal areas. Because there was one reasons to form different climatical conditions in this area. Land and water breezes. Breeze means nothing but a cool and pleasant winds. Cool and pleasant which are blow from the night time ocean to the land part. Next, hot winds are goes and pass into the ocean area from the day. These winds are moving from ocean to the land, land to the ocean. These two warm and cool winds are make climate as moderate at coastal areas. That's why in coastal areas there is a moderate climates are there. Here I hope you have understood about that. What is the land and water relations? Based on the land and water relations, how will be the climate change? The basic question is, how will be the climate change? How will be the climate influence by land and water relations. Based on the land and water relations, climate can be divided into two types. Based on land and water relation, usually how many kinds of climates can you find? Usually we can find, based on the land and water, usually we can find two types of climatical systems and climate systems we can found it. The first one is moderate climate. The second one is extreme climate. Usually, based on the land and water relations, we can find how many kinds of climates, Amma? What are those two? Moderate and extreme. After that, where we can find this moderate and extreme? Moderate climates usually expected. Moderate climate. The places are always. This side is not covered. Okay. Moderate climates are usually finding out at the places of nearest coastal area. Nearest coastal areas. What do you mean the coastal area? Coastal area meaning is the area which is nearest to water. Nearest to water. Where we can find moderate climate. The area which is nearest to water area. What is the coastal area, man? What is the coastal area? Go ahead, sit down, say. What is the coastal area? The area which is nearest to water. The area which is nearest to water body. That is called coastal area. The area which is nearest to water area, that is called coastal area. So, in the coastal area, generally we can find moderate climates and moderate climate. What do you mean the moderate climate? Moderate climate is the climate is not more high, not more low, either winter or summer. There will be balanced climate and balanced temperatures are recorded. Not more high, the climate is not more high, and not more low. Either summer and winter. That is moderate climate. That climate always maintain balanced climate. Here, what kind of climate is? Balanced climates.